Hello everyone, my name is Terry Nicholas. I am the owner and founder of the Wealth Coach for Women, a registered investment advisory firm located in Rockland, Massachusetts. And today I wanted to talk to you about a very important topic. And that topic is whether or not you're considering changing your marital status. In particular, if you're thinking of going from married to single. I know this is a huge step, and there's always a lot of questions around the financial implications, so I just thought I would take a few minutes to break it down and hopefully provide some material that you will find beneficial. Let me start by saying why I do this. Over the years, I have seen many women who are in relationships that are not healthy. Often they're either dangerous or they're not happy. I saw it in my own family. I saw it with my mother, who was in a very unhappy marriage for a real long time, and she just wouldn't even take the plunge on trying to figure out if she could go it alone, because the fear of not being able to go alone was greater than what might have been on the other side, which might have been happiness. And as a result, she suffered from a lot of depression over the years because of her situation. So this is why I'm really passionate about trying to help women who are in that situation and hopefully help them before they get to that situation. So what you want to know if you're thinking of changing your marital status is, number one, you want to be sure to get all of your finances in order. And what I mean by that is make sure that you know where all the money is. Have your own cash on hand in the event that you needed to move quickly. So if there's any way that you can either, if you don't already have a bank account in your own name, if there's any way that you can set one up, this is the time to do that. Look at statements. Make sure that you're aware of what your spouse might have as far as assets go, and that way that you are more armed and dangerous than if you don't know. The other thing is, when you meet with an attorney, prior to meeting with the attorney, there are resources out there that are usually referred to as pre-divorce consultations, and a professional will help you navigate all the ins and outs. They will go over all the different options for divorce, which there are many options today which were not always available, and hopefully you will have an idea of what you are up against. One of the big challenges that I see with a lot of folks when they're in that situation is they don't know where they're going to live. So if you currently own a home, get an idea of the value and know what is outstanding on your mortgage if you have a mortgage. Also, look around to see what would rent cost if you decided that you were the one that's going to leave the house, leave the marital home, and you need to find another place to live. So get an idea of what that might cost. You may have an opportunity to move in temporarily with a friend or a relative, and if that is available to you, then you may want to take advantage of that so that you're not spending money before you really have to. So I hope this information helps. I wish you all the best, and please, if you do have questions and there's anything that I can do for you, I do have a free consult. I allow folks to meet with me for 30 minutes, and we can go over some very important points and help you get yourself situated. So the way that you would do that is you would go to my website, wealthcoachforwomen.net. There's a button that says Let's Meet. You click on that button and you will have some options for setting up an appointment. The 30-minute money makeover conversation is what you're looking for, and we can meet either by phone or by Zoom. So hopefully that will help. Another resource that I have available is I did create a little ebook that has some tools and information that you might find helpful, and that is also on my website. So you go wealthcoachforwomen.net/ebook, and you would be able to download that document. So hopefully this is helpful. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if there's anything that I can do to support you. Thank you.